Here I have two phones with me. This is my old phone. This is the Samsung M30s, and this is my new Oppo phone. So I have to transfer my WhatsApp previous chats and data from my old phone to my new phone. So to start with it, we will open the WhatsApp app, go on the three dot menu, go on to the settings option. We will scroll down and go to the chats. Within the chats, we will select the transfer chats option. Start now. Give it the location access. And now it says scan QR code. So I have to scan a QR code. But first I need to do is to download WhatsApp on your new phone. So I've now downloaded the WhatsApp app. Now I will open the app, do the setup, and a point to be noted here is that the SIM is in the old phone only, not in the new phone. I will enter the mobile number of my old phone, that is the same WhatsApp number. As next, I will say yes. The code will be sent to my old phone now. So I'm waiting for the code on my old phone. I got the code. I will type the code here. Once the code has been done, it will verify. Transfer chat history from old phone. Use the I will continue it. Continue this. Allow the location. Continue. And I will scan the thing. Scan the QR code. After scanning the QR code with my old phone, it says okay. And now it is transferring the old chats and everything, every data from my old phone to my new phone. So it will take some time depending upon the data. So after 2 hours, transferring has been complete, and the message is shown this, and on the receiving end it is saying preparing 56%. So I will say okay here, and everything is still transferring here. So I'll do nothing, just leave it as it is.
One eternity later.
As you can see, the transfer has been completed. So press next. And as you can see, the earlier chats are also there from the last phone, and it will tell us to log out from it. It will get log out from the earlier phone, the earlier Samsung phone, and the previous chat history will be transferred to the new phone. And forgot to tell you that now you can remove the SIM from your old smartphone and put it in your new smartphone.